In front of me is OPPO Reno 13S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. The Keyboard Clipboard is a place where your phone saves text, links or images you copy, so you can paste them wherever you want to. If you wanna use it on your OPPO, start by opening your keyboard. Now tap on this icon of a clipboard at the top and then enable it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Finally, to go back, tap on this arrow at the top left one and copy or cut any text. Now, to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, choose Clipboard and tap on your text here. It will disappear under an hour, so if you want to keep it here, you need to pin it. In order to do that, just hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete it, you can either swipe it to the right or to the left. Tap on undo in the pop-up if you change your mind, or you can hold it and use the delete button. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Last but not least, if you are interested in managing some Clipboard options, tap on this icon at the top left corner. Find Settings, which is a gear icon that should be at the top of your keyboard. Select Clipboard here and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!